Did you know that adding extra protein to your diet can actually help you lose weight faster? Yes, protein will help you build muscle, but adding extra protein to your diet can actually help speed up your metabolism. Today, we're talking about protein and 9 easy ways to add more protein to your diet. So, to help you hit your protein goals, here are 9 simple foods that are surprisingly high in protein. Number 1, lentils. Lentils are actually one of the oldest sources of protein that we've been eating since 8000 BC. They're delicious, easy to digest, and actually have one of the highest ratios of protein to serving size. Every cup of lentils comes loaded with 18 grams of protein. So it's no surprise that lentils have been a part of our diet for thousands of years. Number 2, quinoa. Similar to lentils, quinoa has been a part of our diet for over 5,000 years. You'll get 8 grams of protein per cooked cup of this ancient grain, plus 5 grams of fiber. Unlike some plant proteins, quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our body cannot make up on their own. Number 3, beef jerky. Beef jerky is a convenient snack that's great to have around at all times. Every 1 ounce piece gives you 9 grams of protein. Jerky is a great option to take with you throughout the day because it gives you a quick, convenient way to get in some extra protein through snacking. Not a beef eater? You can pick up turkey jerky, salmon jerky, as well as plant-based jerky. Number 4, black beans. They're one of the leanest, most nutrient-dense beans available. Each cup of cooked black beans gives you about 15 grams of protein and 15 grams of fiber. Black beans are a fantastic addition to a meal to increase your daily protein and fiber intake. Number 5, tuna. Looking for a major protein shift in your diet? Try adding tuna to your meal to give yourself a delicious new source of protein. Every 100 grams of tuna steak you eat, you get 28 grams of whole protein. Number 6, Greek yogurt parfait. Add 1 cup of Greek yogurt to a bowl. Throw in a handful of nuts, berries, cinnamon, and a drizzle of honey, and you'll get around 25 grams of protein with a delicious dessert. This makes a quick and nutritious breakfast or a sweet treat at the end of the day. Next time you have a craving for ice cream, try this parfait instead and get all the benefits of extra protein into your diet without feeling like you robbed yourself of a bowl of ice cream. Number 7, edamame. You've probably seen edamame pass by on the conveyor belt when you're waiting for the sushi you want to come by. And while that's fine, who wants to fill up on edamame when eating sushi? Try adding it into your snack routine for a major boost to your protein intake. 1 cup of edamame gives you a whopping 18 grams of protein and 8 grams of fiber. Number 8, peanut butter protein balls. These no-bake protein balls make for a sustaining energy boost when you have a sweet tooth. Mix peanut butter, coconut oil, protein powder, flour, vanilla extract, and some optional mini chocolate chips into a bowl and then form into 1-inch balls. Throw them into the refrigerator until they're firm and you have a quick protein-rich treat whenever you want something sweet. Depending on the amount of protein you add, you'll get anywhere from 10 to 15 grams of protein per ball. Just be aware, these things pack a calorie punch, so if you have the room to spare, these make a great option. Number 9, protein pancakes. We all love pancakes for breakfast. Now you can enjoy them with the added benefit of fueling your body with extra protein. There are dozens of recipes online for protein pancakes, but the simplest way is to add a scoop of protein to any pre-made pancake mix and adjust the liquid amount until the desired consistency. If you want to take this a step further, you can make your own pancake mix with flour, baking powder, protein powder, and salt. Now, each serving of pancakes gives you up to 25 grams of protein. Sounds good, right? You want to know what sounds even better? With a V-Shred custom meal plan, you don't have to give up pancakes, and eating them can actually help you lose weight. Let one of our certified V-Shred coaches help create a custom diet plan. You get 30 days of personalized meals that work for your body and your goals. We've created over 2 million custom meal plans, and the results speak for themselves. Click the link in the description and get your custom meal plan today. Let us know what your favorite way to add protein into your diet is, and if you're going to try something new from today's list. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.